Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're quickly diving into how you can utilize Notion to maximize your remote work experience. Let's get started. The first step to using Notion for remote work is setting up your workspace. That's where all your projects, tasks, and notes will live. Think of it as your digital office. The reason we do this is to have a central place for everything so you can stay organized and focused. Now that we've set up our workspace, we'll need to create some pages. Pages in Notion are like documents where you can write notes, create tasks, embed files, and so on. This helps us because it allows us to keep different aspects of our work separate and organized. For example, you can have a page for each project you're working on. Next up, we'll start utilizing Notion's powerful features such as databases and templates. Databases in Notion are tables where you can store data from simple to-do lists to complex project management charts. Templates, on the other hand, allow you to create reusable structures for your pages. The reason we use these features is to automate repetitive tasks, making our remote work more efficient. The fourth step is to set up your notifications. This is important because it ensures you never miss an update or a task. You can even customize your notification settings to suit your work style. For example, you might want to get notified as soon as a task is assigned to you. Or maybe you prefer a daily summary of all updates. Finally, we'll want to integrate Notion with other tools you use for your work. Notion integrates with a variety of popular work tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and more. This helps us because it allows us to bring all our work into one place, reducing context switching and increasing productivity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've turned Notion into a powerful tool for your remote work. Remember, Notion is flexible, so feel free to tweak these steps to suit your needs. That's the beauty of Notion. It adapts to you, not the other way around. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you in the next video.